let me cover. There are three important predefined functions. One function I hope you already aware. Let me cover these three important predefined functions as important entry process. Important predefined functions. So the first function is so called as a minimum function. What is the function name? Minimum. So the first function name is so called as a min. So Python follows the shortest notation, though they are representing with what's a g? Min. The next one, if min is there, what is the next one? Yeah, you guys are very good. Then third one will be sum function. What function? Sum. Sum we already know, right? Min, maximum, sum. Mean, average, these are all things also we'll see. Now Daniel, so kindly please find, so there is a list to data structure, right? So find minimum value and maximum value and sum from list actually, list of values, list of such values. We'll do one thing. Let us create a small list, values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now it's a very good, you can print directly values, and I wanted to find out minimum value. Listen carefully. I wanted to find out minimum value. Min is not a method. Please make a note. It is a function. It is a, you should know by this time what is the difference between function and method actually, right? So min of values, Chappan sir, minimum of values. Chapter, what is the next one? Next one, maximum of values. What happened? Oh, sorry. Thank you. The next one, I just wanted to find out the sum. I just wanted to find out what's the sum. Yeah, this is really good functions. I hope you already know this. Right? Can I run this example in one shot? Today I have covered two extra functions. Those functions will be minimum, maximum, sum function. I hope you already know this, right? Agent. Okay. AI agents. Okay. Right. Let's move on. I would like to run this. I can run this example. Yeah, good sir. We are getting an output actually. What is the minimum value? 10. Maximum value? 40. What is the total sum? 100. Conclusion of the story, this is a really good example. Alright, so we are finding the minimum value, maximum value and sum in one shot actually. Then I would like to add these two functions. What are functions? Min and max. Kada? Can I add it actually? Yeah, Daniel, you can add it. And here I can add 14. What is the function name, sir? Min function. Minimum value. To find minimum value from list. To find minimum, a small value from list. Next one, not only list, sequence. Maximum P. To find maximum value. Can I show you one small surprise here? Yeah, Daniel, please. We'll do one thing. So let us just have to delete this sum actually, and even okay. A equals to not A. It's okay. A equals to. So APPLE. APP what's LE. Let me just try to print A. Let's run this example. We'll do one thing. Let us just have to apply min here. Generally we should not apply. Let us just have to apply min of A. What happened, Sachi? Back end, you will get kind of exactly, yeah, A letter. What letter? Back end ASCII code. Back end what code actually? ASCII code. In alphabetical letter, all are lowercase actually. Maybe small letter starts from 96, I guess. 96 or 97. I'm not sure. And 96 A, 97 B, 98 C, respectively it keep on goes actually. Then according to that, which letter is the first actually, Japan sir? A. But generally we never apply like this. Are you getting? Min and max, it still works with string data also. What data, Sajid? String data also. Okay. These are all examples we would have. Maybe it's the right time you guys can understand if I shared those examples. Yeah. So fine then. Maybe I have covered two functions today. Can you remind me what are those functions? Minimum, next one, maximum. Good. We are good to go. Fine. Let us continue today's discussion actually. Yesterday we started a topic. The topic name is so called as a set data structure. Chaptara, what is the topic name? Set data structure. Set is a data structure. So by using this, what we can do, so we can store the data. We can just have to process the data. Good. So the nature for the set, I mean to say, these are all characteristics actually. This is the behavior about the set data structure. We can create a set by using curly brace, also called as a flower braces. When you are creating a set, it's mandatory values is required. Make sure you have to provide the value. Make sure you have to provide what, Sarji? Value. Then we can create a set by using set function also. What function, Sarji? Set function. We can store the data. Daniel, what I can store? Same type of the data, different type of the data also we can store. Size, having dynamic nature, sir. Insertion order, chapandi, not fixed. What is that? Not fixed. I mean to say, I will not give guarantee about the order. I will give guarantee about the you will get values actually, but no guarantee about order. No guarantee about what, Sarji? Order. Duplicate values, yes. Set cannot store. Chapandi, sir. Set cannot store. Set cannot store the duplicate value. You indirectly you can say set can store unique value. Talk with me. Unique values. What exactly? Unique values. Mutable, yes. So when you're talking about the set, it is having mutable nature. Daniel, what it means? Once you create a set, based on requirement, you can change, modify, update. You can do actually. Indexing. Set will not follow indexing. It will not follow indexing nature actually, right? It cannot store the data based on index. We done these are all. I hope even practical also I have explained actually. Now creating these are all things we done. Empty set here I stopped, I guess. Am I right? Sir, interview question. Empty set itself is interview question. Empty set actually. Let me tell you. Before explaining about this point, I wanted to tell one small important point actually. Good. So in Python programming language, square brackets, we can create a list. It is representing list. Parenthesis. By using parenthesis, we can create a tuple. But when it comes to curly braces, what happen? You can create two things actually in Python. I'm sorry. Here, let me just try to write tuple. And here you can create what exactly, sir? Set a data structure you can create. Not only set data structure, Daniel, you can still create what exactly? Dictionary also. Just remember this point. Conclusion of the story. When you're talking about the curly braces, the same symbols we are using for two ways actually. To create a set data structure, to create a dictionary data structure actually. Daniel, why you are covering that point? Why I'm covering that point, sir, today? Good, hold on. Let's open the code. I would like to open demo 1. Yeah. Let me create empty list. Yeah, possible. Let me create empty tuple, possible. Let me just try to create a empty curly brace. Empty what, Sarji? Curly brace. I would like to print A, B, C. Yeah, very good. Let us just try to print actually. Let me just try to print. No surprise, you will get output actually. What happened? Yeah, we are getting this one. Now let me tell you. Let us check the data type, sir. Let us check what exactly data type. How to check any idea? Print a type of A, the next one type of B, and even the next one type of B, the next one type of C. Type of what exactly? C. So can you tell what is your expectation? What is the type of A? List. What is type of B? What is type of C? Yeah, good, make a note. It is not a set, Sarji. That's what I'm covering that point actually. Right. If you are using empty square brackets, it is a list data structure. Empty parenthesis, it is a tuple actually. But empty curly brace, empty flower brace, are you using actually? Yeah, Daniel. Then that is not a set data structure. That is a dictionary actually. That is what, Sarji? Please make a note. So the point is, that's what I told. Whenever you are creating a set data structure, values is required. What is required? Otherwise, it is a dictionary. Otherwise, yeah, this is the practical proof. I'm not providing value. So if you have provided values, what happen, sir? It behaves like a set data structure. Look at my screen. Exactly. That's what I told. When you are creating a set data structure, curly brace with values. With what, Sarji? Values actually. But anyway, that is a story. But Daniel, empty list is possible. Empty tuple is possible. Empty dictionary also possible. Do you mean empty set is not possible? Empty set is possible, sir. But there is an alternative. How you can create, you can go back and here you can create empty dictionary. Here you need to use explicitly set function. What function? There is a one alternative we have. We can create a set by using set function also. By using what, Sarji? Set function also. Yeah, good. Now successfully what you done, successfully you have created a empty set actually. Let me prove practically. Good, we are good to go. Very good, Sarji. Daniel, list. Next one, tuple. Sir, now can you talk with me? What is this one? Set a data structure. What is the last one? Dictionary. Conclusion of the story. While you are creating a set, empty set, actually, you have to use set function only. You have to use set function only. Set function only. Otherwise, that is not a set. Simple. We can create empty set by what exactly, sir? Using set function only. Set function, what exactly? Only, actually. Yeah, this is the practical proof. Creating empty sequences. Actually. Yeah, we are creating here. Move on. You can kindly please walk through empty set. We can create empty set. Yeah, possible. While creating empty set, compulsory, mandatory, we should use set function only. If you didn't use set function, then that is a dictionary. Instead of what exactly, sir? Set. Good. So here you are providing kind of some, empty curly brace we are using. Flower braces also you can say. It is a dictionary. Set function. What I'm using, Sarji? Set function I'm using. Can you tell me how many functions I'm using here? How many? 3 functions. First one, set, print, type. One more time. Next one, length function. Let me drink water on length. Yo. I forget my bottle, sir. Okay. Length is a predefined function. By using that, you can find the length. Sir, this I already covered, I hope, right? So, A equals to, you can take 10, 20, 30, 40. Let us take duplicate value. Total 5 values. Total how many values? 5 values. But when you are applying length, what happen, So, unique values. So, it will find the total number of unique values. Total number of words are unique values, actually. Exactly. Then what is the result? 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 10 is not countable. Again 10 is what, Saji? Not countable. Can I ask you a question? What is the length actually? Function. One more time. Function. Can I close what all we are not using? This I can close, this I can, and that's it. Here we go. By using length predefined function, we can find the length of this set. This function returns the number of elements present in set actually. This function returns what, Saji? Number of elements. Still you can do one thing. You can take this function call and you can just have to assign it to one variable. You can do it actually. Now you can print B. Function calling, we are assigning into variable return. Repeating again. Function calling, we are assigning into variable return. Very, very important. Seems to be written topic is hidden. Written man convinchatledu, but backend it is available actually. How can we say? You are assigning function call to the variable. That's a proof. That's what, Saji? Proof actually. Good. Length function having written in backend. Having what, Saji? Written in backend actually. Okay, we are good to go. We done these are all. Good, next one. Sir, same topic again. What is the topic name? Methods in set data structure. Chapter one more time. Methods in set data structure. So I hope you already know this topic. I can directly jump into the topic actually. Good. So there are 2 points you have to be aware. Set is a predefined class. Chapter sir, set is a predefined class. Set is a predefined class. Then generally speaking, class contains, chapter, class contains, one more time, class contains method actually. That's it. When you're talking about the class, immediately the next topic is the method topic. What topic, Sarji? Method actually. Method. Make a note on this. Okay? Yeah. So, Daniel, how to find all methods? How to find all methods actually? Yeah, simple, by using dir function. What function? Dir function. The answer will be by using all methods in set class. In class actually. dir function. Whenever you are applying dir function, it returns 2 types of output. The first one will be, so without underscore actually, right? The second one will be with underscore. So can I make it the first one with underscore? The next one without underscore actual. Without underscore symbol, with underscore symbol actual. Okay, with underscore symbol, it's okay. You can ignore. Yeah. Move on. As discussed, set is a predefined class. We know that story. Am I right? So any kind of Python program we can implement in a three ways. What is the first one? Procedure oriented, function oriented, object oriented. Wherever this topic will come, so you have to remember that story actually. I covered 2 to 3 times. I covered actually. Okay. As discussed, set is a predefined class. So set class can contain methods because methods can be created instead of class only. We can check these methods by using a function. Function name is a dir function. Am I right or not, sir? Okay. Yeah. So internally set class contains two types of method. One is with underscore symbol, next one is without underscore symbol. Okay. You guys kindly please walk through. These are all important methods. So what are the important methods? We'll see. Important point. As per object oriented principle, wherever object oriented principle came, upcoming topic actual. Upcoming topic. Yeah, we can apply such a. Wherever sequence is available, you can apply. Minimum, maximum, sum, we can apply. Fine. These are all add, remove, clear. The respective methods, these are all important. There is a one method name is add. What is the method name? Add. Important interview question, let me tell you. Difference between append and add. Append and what, Sarji? Add actual. Append and add actual. Add. Append is a method. Is a what, Sarji? Method. In list class. What class actually? That's it. The next one, add is a method. In set class. That's the main difference first of all actually. Both are to add a values. Both methods we are using to add a values actually. This is one of the important difference. Now by using both methods we can add a value. By using both methods we can add a value to respect to sequence. Okay, let me show you one small example. But if you have applied in a reverse way, then what it mean? Hold on. Equals to, let me create a tuple list 40. Let me even just to create a b equals to, get ready sir, I will ask one small question. We'll do one thing. Let's print AB. Yeah. Daniel, I would like to add one value. Very simple, Sarji. A dot append. A dot what, Sarji? Append. Let me just to add 99. Now B dot, can you tell me add? And let me just to add 99 here actually. Now after updating, you can just to print both A and B actually. Yeah, very good. I have a question. Append is a method in list class. Add is a method in set class. Append is a method in list class. Add is a method in set class. Yes, see, happily the value is being getting adding. When it comes to list data structure, value always add a class position. But set actually, no guarantee. But ensure it will add a value. I'm sure it is going to adding a what exactly, sir? Value actual. Are you clear, Sachi? Are you clear? Good. Then what is entire question here, Let me tell you. Append and add. Append and add method actually. Add method. During interview, just for fun, they will play small game actually. What is that game, So Daniel successfully have created. Here they will use add actually. Here they will use append. Here they will use what exactly? Append. They will just ask what is output. Actually. Can you guess what is output? Error. Very good. I feel so happy. Thank God you responded actually. What error?
Value error. Good.
Let me check. What about online team? What error, Sachi? It's okay. Let us run. Team, everybody. You guys are very good in practice, but not in revision. You guys are very good in practice, but not good in revision actually. Why? Because these points are key points. During revision only you can remember actually. You are calling something, method name is wrong. Method name is what? Wrong. What error? Then starting problem. For you guys, what problem actually? Starting problem. Adi a hint okundane cheppali. Imagine if it is interviewer will not give hint actually. I'm sorry. Then you should not tell Danny will explain nicely. You should not tell like that also, right? So repeating again, while you are calling method name is wrong, we'll get a attribute error. What error, sir? Make a note on this. Make a note of this. Check. This method removes the specific value from the set data structure. While you are calling this method, if value is not available, you will get a key error. What error? What error? New error actually. Make a note on this. We'll do one thing. Daniel, I would like to delete a specific value. That's still okay. Let me create 10, 20, 30, 40. Print of A. Okay. A dot, there is a method name is remove. Let me remove the 40. After removing, I would like to print actually. Yeah, good. Yes, the value is removed actually. 40 value successfully removed. Yeah, good. So can I ask a question? What is the remove here? Method. We can call method by using object name. We can call method by using. Can I add this point here? Keynote actually. By using object name. A dot upper. The next one. B dot append. The next one. C dot count. The next one. D dot add. D dot what, Sarji? Add. Can you tell me upper belongs to string class? What class, Sarji? String class. B belongs to list class. Count belongs to? Yeah, you can say str it is available. It's okay. The next one. List it is available. But anyway, I wanted to highlight tuple as of now. The next one. Append belongs to set actually. Right? So set class. Repeating again. When you're talking about the upper is available in str but not list in tuple and set actually. Meeku ardhainda sir, right? This is the way we can call method. Yeah, we are calling the methods by using what, Saji? Object name. That point is important actually. Daniel, no object, then don't call methods. Do you wanted to call method actually? Yeah, then first to create an object. First to create what, Saji? Object actually. Object, right? That is mandatory. When I say object respect to class, which class you want? String class, list class, tuple class, these are all, right? So removing a value, remove method. What method, sir? Remove method. Okay. While you are removing the value, if value is not available, if value is what, Saji? Not available, you will get error. Error name is a key error. What error? One more time. Key error. Why key error? During dictionary we will see. Yeah, new error. Key error, it's a new error actually. Let us include it. Error ekkada ravali ante before value error mundu manam add cheyali. Ekkada undi value error? Here it is actually, right? Now here I need to add key error. Don't worry, you can follow your order actually. Me order meer follow onni. I can make it this one is a 4, this one is a 5. Move this one to the next. I know the best order. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh sorry, it should be 6. Sorry, 7, 8, 9. Repeating again. End of the course you will get the best order. But you follow your order. Meer order follow avutunnaru kada starting page lo. Yeah, come on. Let us read it, Saji. Syntax error, name error,
key error, value error, type error,
index error,
indentation error, attribute error, module not found error.
Very nice. The next 10th error is a file not found error. What is the 10th error? File not found. Very soon we are going to discuss in data analysis actually. Very soon. File not found error we'll see. Good. Remember the error names. You have to remember and memorize error names. Nothing is wrong. Okay. Move on. You guys kindly please walk through. The next method name is a clear method. What method, sir? Clear method. This is really beautiful, sir. A equals to list 10, 20, 30, 40. Daniel, I wanted to clear all values. Let us print A and A dot what? Yeah. Hold on. Let us apply on top of list actually. Good. Let us apply on top of the list. Yeah, we are good. Did you notice? Clear is a method. Clear is what, Saji? Method. It is clearing. Clean and clear shampoo, I hope you know. They will tell dandruff will be deleted, but no, it never actually. Am I right? Here also, imagine you have created a list to data structure. I wanted to delete all values in one shot actually. I wanted to clear. I would like to make it empty. I would like to make it what, Saji? Empty. Yeah, good. You need to call it clear method. What method? Let me tell you in real time where this data structure is applying. I'm sure everyone aware about kind of some IRCTC. Am I right? Imagine train started from morning. Almost 100 passengers. The list data structure is filled with 100 passenger names actually. Once journey is over, what's Aji? Over. They will clear the list. Why? Because to add the new passenger. To add what's Aji? They will not delete the value. They can push the values into the next database actually. Right? A kind of some data warehouse, database. These are all. Conclusion of the story. IRCTC. All passenger names they are using to store list to data structure. Once the journey is over, they can clear actually. They can clear. Daniel, why they are clearing? Why? Because they wanted to add new passenger names actually for the next journey. Are you clear, Sajji? Good. I need a response from you. Can you tell me what is a clear here? Method. Very good. Same thing like that. Clear method. Sorry, it's a clear, sir. Clear method in list class. Same method still it is available in where exactly Sarji? Set data structure. What data structure? Set class actually. Set class. Okay. Now let me show you. Get ready. Daniel, let us make it. This one should be set actually. Yeah, curly brace. Now this one should be curly brace. Can you tell your expected output? What you are expecting? Yeah, it will clear actually. Empty set you are expecting. What you are expecting? Empty set. Then get ready. Do you think empty curly brace you are expecting? No, it should be set of parenthesis like that. Why not empty curly brace? You understand, I guess. Yeah, that's what we started cinema today actually. Output is mandatory here. It is not empty curly brace searching. Ensure it's not empty curly brace. Why? Then if it is empty curly brace, it is a dictionary, boss. How it will written? Guys, you guys need to do the revision daily. You guys are very good in practice. Revision kuda cheyali. Next one, membership operator. What operator? Membership operator. Yeah, by using these operator, we can find the specific value existing in set or not. Same story we applied on list searching. Daniel, I do have a, so set 10, 20, 30, 40 unique values I do have. Now, I would like to check the specific value. I would like to check what exactly a specific underscore value. Kind of some 20 I wanted to check. Specific value I wanted to check. Then you need to apply in operator. What operator, sir? In operator. In operator takes here value. You need to specify value. And here you need to specify sequence actual. Sequence. Can you tell me what is the sequence? A. Which value you wanted to check? 20 SP value, specific value. Is 20 in A or not? We are checking. We are just asking. If it is available, we'll get result as a true. We'll get result as a true. Boolean. I have a question. How many keywords here? One keyword. What is that keyword name? In actually. Am I going speed? Speed is cheptana?
No.
In operator. Yeah. Can you tell me what is the topic name? Set comprehension. What is the topic name, Sarji? Set comprehension. Yeah. Let me tell you, there is one important point. So this is the last topic in set data structure. Then in another 5 to 10 minutes, we are entering into dictionary data structure. Get ready for this. See. Hello, Daniel. List comprehension. I have applied list comprehension. The result is list actually. The result is what, Sarji? List. Next one. Set comprehension. Then the result is set. The result is what, Sarji? Set. Dictionary comprehension. The result is dictionary. The result is what, Sarji? Dictionary. Repeating again. Are you applying list comprehension syntax? Yeah, Daniel. I'm applying. Then you will get result as a, what is the result you are going to get, Sarji? List. List comprehension. Result is a list. Set comprehension. Result is a set. Dictionary comprehension. Result is a dictionary. But let me tell you. Tuple comprehension. Daniel, can I apply? You can apply. But there is one small twist actually. The result is not a tuple. Not what, Saji? Interview question. Repeating again. List comprehension, list. Set comprehension, set. Dictionary comprehension, dictionary. But tuple comprehension is not a tuple. you will not get result as a tuple search. You will get result as a generator. Cheptara, what is the topic name? One more time. Generator. One of the powerful data structure. Compared to the list set tuple dictionary, generator is such a powerful data structure. My favorite topic. During data analysis, we'll learn actually. During what, Sarji? Data analysis. Can you tell me the topic name? Generator. Damn sure interview question. Can you please explain about the generator? Please explain about the decorator. These are all interview questions actually. I will cover. Are you guys getting? Good. Now why? Why I am covering today? Why? Because the topic name is a set comprehension. Let us continue. Same story, sir. Set comprehension, like a list comprehension. Did you understand? If you understand list comprehension, set comprehension is very easy. But anyway, let me cover. First, focus on syntax. Focus on what, Saji? Syntax. Very simple. The syntax is LHS equals to RHS. Chapana sir. LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side variable, right hand side. In list comprehension, empty list. But in set comprehension, empty set. Empty set, hold on. Empty set means not that one. I hope you already know. Inside of this one, part 1. The next one, part 2. The next one, part 3. That's what we need actually. When I say part 1, same story, sir. Part 1. Part 1. Yeah, very good. Variable. Very nice. You guys are responding nicely. Yeah. Just give me time. For loop actually. The next one. Part 3 is a condition. Part 3 is what, sir? The condition, but let me tell you, it is an optional. It is optional actually. Optional. Why you will drink more water, you know? During teaching, ఇక్కడ ఆరిపోతుంది అనమాట, తడారిపోతుంది. That's what I used to consume more water. I'm sorry. Good. Let's move on. Let us just have to impute. Take these are all. Yeah, Daniel, you can just have to take like a result. I need your help, sir. Variable or expression? Variable or expression? Variable or what, Saji? Expression. Part number 1. Part number 2. Can you help me? For loop. Part number 3. Condition. Part number 3. Condition actually. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. I'm sure you understand, I guess. No doubt in that. And if you want the same code, you can still write like, you know, you can take this one. Yeah. You can bring this one into the next line. This is good practice actually. You can bring this one into the next line. This is still possible, you know, so we can write like this also. If you want, you can just have to move it here also. Possible. I need a response from you. Set comprehension syntax is simple. LHS equals to RHS. LHS simple variable name. RHS, there are mainly 3 parts actually. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Instead of part, can I say section 1, section 2, section 3, up to you. Right? Part 1 is variable or expression. Part 2 is for loop, sir. Part 3 is a condition, madam. Part 3 is a condition. Are you clear? Yeah. No matter what, always execution starts from for loop. Always execution starts from. If part 3 is also available, the next one is a condition. Then later variable or expression. Later variable or what, such expression. Let's take one small example. There are few examples I can take. You will get an idea. Example 1. Set comprehension. You know, so set comprehension. Okay. Very simple. A equals to, here you can take list, set, anything you can take. I would like to take a value 10, 20, 30, 40. Now result equals to yeah, P1, P2, P3. Anyway, let me execute with P1 and P2. Can you help me? Execution always starts from P2, part 2. For value in A. Yeah, very good. I hate values actually. Then let us provide here values. Chappan sir, here value. You can take this value. Variable name should be same. Plus 2. Plus what subject? 2. This is the best example. In one shot you understand, I guess actually, right? Okay, hold on. Can you read this code? Ee code chadutara? Good. Very good, sir. Let us print what exactly? Values, and let me just try to print result. That's it. You understand, I guess. Same, Sarji. like a list comprehension. If you understand list comprehension, this code is very easy. Let me write one more example also with condition. With what, Sarji? Condition. Yeah, good. You can just have to add one small condition. Daniel, and 50, 60, 70, 80. Right, good. And here, if value less than 50. Less than what, Sarji? 50. Good. Let me read this line. I will read, don't worry. If you wanted to read this line, start from result equals to for value in values, if value less than 50 value. It's okay. I don't want to plus 2. I would like to just to print that value. Beautiful. Very nice actually. Sir, very simple. I'm repeating again. Coding is very easy. Your concentration really matter. Understand the syntax. Syntax also important. What is important, Sarji? Syntax is important. That's it. The good news is we didn't set actually. We didn't set data structure. Oh, one more last example. I hope I know I created this material, right? One last example. You guys kindly please walk through these are all. Removing duplicates in a list elements. Removing duplicates in what, Saji? List element. List elements actually. Why? Only off. మొత్తం కనిపించట్లేదు కదా సచ్చి. Okay. Values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 10, 10. The next one 20, 20. 20, what exactly, sir? 20. So sometimes my requirement will be I wanted to remove duplicate values. I wanted to remove what, Saji? Otherwise, let me take the live scenario. Okay, live scenario తీసుకోమంటారా? These are all mail IDs. These are all customers. Customers Daniel. The first one will be Daniel @gmail.com. He done one transaction. The next one, Raju @gmail.com. Again, Daniel he done transaction. Why he done? Maybe just for fun he done search it. The next one, again, Rani madam she done transaction. These are all Amazon transaction. Again, Daniel done actually. Daniel, what exactly done? Then total how many transaction? Then you need to apply length. Total how many transactions, sir? You need to apply length of customers. Length of what, Sarji? Customers. Yeah, good. Not cosmetics, customers. Total how many transactions happened? 5. Total how many? 5. I wanted to know, so who are all done transaction actually? I wanted to know unique transactions. Set of customers you can apply. What you can apply, Sarji? Set of customers. Now ensure you please understand exactly what you are getting. Customers is not defined. Sorry, Sarji. Yeah, customer spelling is wrong. What exactly we done, Sarji? So from the list, we have deleted a duplicate values. Finally, these 3 guys done transaction. Rani Madam Garu, Daniel, Raju. But Daniel, how many times he done transaction? 1, 2, 3. But I don't want duplicate value. I just need a unique values. I just need what, Sarji? Then you can call set function. You can call what function? Are you clear? I have a list. From that list, I wanted to remove the duplicates. Or else I wanted to represent unique values. I wanted to represent call set function. What functions are? Set function. Take this. You can apply. Duplicates. Dupes. We can remove duplicate elements which are existing in list by passing list as a parameter of the set function. Yeah, good. Set is a predefined function. We are passing as a parameter actually. Bye. Set we done actually. Set we done. Now the next one will be, can you guess what is the next topic? Dictionary. Very good. Daniel, you can close this. I can say this is the running topic. This is what, Sarji? Running topic. Okay. What is the next topic, sir? Very, very important. The most waiting topic actually, right? After object oriented programming language, I will cover, package actually. Exception handling during ML. Anyway, let me take. The topic name is a dictionary data structure. What is the topic name, Sarji? Dictionary data structure. Before this, I would like to cover a few interview questions. Kindly remind me, if I covered, you can tell you already covered Daniel actually. If I already cover, నేను కనుక ఇవి చెప్పుంటే మీరు నాకు చెప్పాను already. I may not remember. What is interview questions, During interview, this is the most common interview questions. the most common FAQs actually, FAQs, especially from list. Good. What they will do, Sachi? They will give like this. Hey guys, do one thing. Values equals to 10, 20. After this, 1.23. The next one, 2.34. Next one, Raju. The next one,
Rani.
Chappan sir, after Raju, Rani. Yeah, good. Requirement number 1. Then you'll do one thing. Just we need to print only integers, 10, 20. Nice. From these values, what is the result 1 they are expecting actually? Chaptara? Result 1, what they are expecting? Just, out of all this heterogeneous data, I need to print only integers. I need to print only next requirement, you understand, I guess. Chapter, what is the next requirement? Float, you understand. This should be a float. What is the float result, Sachi? This one actually. Nice. Then what is the next requirement? Ayo, Chappan sir. Yeah, very good. Please respond. Raju and Rani. I understand. Daniel, can I get a combination? Very good. Can I get a combination? Combination in the sense, I need result. Sorry, Sachi. This one should be result 3 kada. Ikkada varaku separate ga pedadam. Now I need 2 combinations, Daniel. I need what, Sachi? 2 combination. Which combination you want actually? Integer. Tell me other combination. Either float or string. String, that's still okay. Any combination it is possible. If you understand one scenario, you can understand other scenario. Damn sure interview question. They will ask like this. Then how to respond? Let us implement with code actually. Are you clear, sir? First of all, they are giving heterogeneous data. Heterogeneous data. They are asking, do one thing. I need only integers. I need only float. I need only string. Otherwise, I need combination. Integer plus string. I need combination. Integer plus float actual. Possible. Right? To implement this requirement, to get output actually, we need to work with one function. Function name is called as a isInstance function. What is the function name? One more time. Let me cover that function first. Right? Yeah. First to try to understand isInstance function. isInstance function. isInstance is a predefined function. isInstance is what, such a predefined function. It is a predefined function. By using this, we can check the data type. We can check what, such a data type. Quite interesting. To check the data type, we already know one function. What it is? Yeah, not only type actual. I will tell you the limitation in a type. Type returns curly square greater than symbol, less than symbol, within the class, type you are getting. But isInstance function returns Boolean value. If it is written Boolean value, that is awesome, search. isInstance function returns what value? Boolean value. What value, sir? Boolean value. Let me show you one small example. You will get a clarity actually, right? Example. Get ready, sir. Everybody, please. Everybody look at my screen. You will get an idea what I am doing actually. Okay? Good. First A equals to 10. A equals to what, such a 10. A print of type of A. Print of what, such a type of A. What is output actually? Output manki vastadi. Yeah, exactly. I told only focus on this int actually. But indirectly, I would like to ask, is A integer type or not actually? I would like to ask. Then how to ask, sir? There is a one function. Function name is isInstance. It takes 2 parameter. It takes how many parameter, boss? One more time. How many? First parameter you need to tell the name of the variable. Second parameter you are cross questioning. Is it integer? You are asking, is A integer? Is A integer? It's a counter question. If it is integer, you will get as a true. You will get as a Chappan sir, you will get as a true actually. Good. Then again one more counter question. Is instance? Is what, such a instance? Is A is float actually? No. Very good. You understand. Meeku ippudu ardhamayindi concept actually. If it is Boolean, sir, you can create a conditions. You can create what, such a conditions actually. You can go for this. B equals to 1.23. Now you can just have to go for print of Chappan sir, is instance of B comma float. Exactly. I hope you understand, I guess. Conclusion of the story. isInstance is a predefined function. By using that, we can still check the data type. But the beauty here it is instance function return type is a boolean. Is instance function return type is what, Sarji? Boolean. Now I will tell you how to use this is instance function. Meeku ardhaina, Sarji? Yeah, good. You understand, I guess. Otherwise, let me know. I can help you one more time. What happens, sir? Oh, functions list lo arjamantara. Sir, what is your name? Very good, Karthik Garu. Very good, Sarji. Is instance. Our friend is telling, Arey Daniel, first add this one into functions list actually. Sure, sir. So it is taking, to check the data type. To check what, Sarji? Data type. The beauty is boolean value. What value? Bull value actually. P1, P2. P1, P2. Very good. Very good. Now let us go to our requirement. Uppudu man requirement loki veldam. I need one response from you. Did you understand or not, Sarji? If you understand, then let us move on. Meeku ardham aithe uppudu mana topic loki enter avudam. Values would you have? Let us apply for loop. For value in values. Yeah, good. First always apply for loop, Sarji. Then you will get one by one value. What happened? Okay. You guys are very aggressive. Exactly. We are getting all values. 10, 20, these are all values. Right? Now what is the first requirement? I wanted to print only integers. I wanted to print only. Then go for is instance function. What function? Yeah, here you need to apply. If is instance, what exactly, sir? Is instance, if value, comma, integer, then only I wanted to print that value. Then only I wanted to print what, Sarji? That value. Now you can just have to see the output, Sarji. Yeah, beautiful actually. Such a nice, sir. Are you with me? You no need to write your own code. There is one predefined function. You need to catch that function. Your work is done actually. Can I explain the flow? Flow explain cheyamantara. What happened, First 10 will come, Sarji. If, is instance, 10 integer, true. If conditional result is a true, it will enter inside of if actual. More the next one, 20. It's a true, then it will execute. Next one, 1.23. Do you think it is true actually? No, false. If it is false means it will never enter into the, if actual. Can I ask a question? How to print float value? That's a beauty with you. If you understand one logic, second logic you can tell automatically. Here what I need to do, Sachi, Japan, how to print float value? Float actual. Yeah. How to print string value? Nice. Then class names you need to remember. This is really beautiful. Then how to print combination? How to print combination? Here nothing is there, sir. Just create a tuple. Hey Daniel, I need integer and string. That's okay, na? Possible actual. Just a tuple. Ayyo. Yeah, hold on. You will get like this actually. Then don't ask what is tuple actually. Sir, we already done. Did you understand or not? I hope you understand. Let us add these are all examples in our code actually. Can I get a response? Meeku ardhainda, Sarji? Yeah, very good. How many keywords we are using? Any keywords vadutunam? Very nice. Tell me. For, in, if. One more time. Nice. How many functions we are using? 2 functions. Is instance, next one, print. That's it. Very good, sir. Now let us add these are all. Add cheddam chudandi. Very nice. Very nice. You guys really done nice task actually. Let's take the first one. Requirement number 1. Take the code actually. These kind of examples you have to practice thoroughly. Then only you will get an idea. The next one. Requirement number 2. Here you just need to add float. Then I need to add result or 2. Please do practice. వీటిలన్నిటిని మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే అర్థమవుతుంది, సార్. రిక్వైర్మెంట్ నెంబర్ 3. I need string. I need what, Sarji? String. Okay, so if I miss any order, I request you do let me know. I'm happy to help you. Then capture the code. Sorry. Beautiful. Okay. Indirectly definitely we applied filtering actually. We applied what, Saji? Filtering. Okay. Above examples, we can do. Please be silent. Thank you. Please be silent. Thank you so much. By using list comprehension also. List what exactly, sir? Comprehension also. Can you implement one example? You will get an idea. Can you implement one example? Are you ready? Cool. We'll do one thing. Same code. I will tell you one small shortcut today. Remember one thing. Wherever for loop and if condition came, for loop came and if condition came, go for list comprehension. Go for what? Daniel, why? For loop and list comprehension, think like it is taking 1 minute to get output actually. Sir, list comprehension, it takes nanoseconds actually. How long time, sir? Super fast actually. Like a Vande Bharat. Hope you understand actually. Am I right? Yeah, good. See, definitely we can come here, part 1 and part 2. I hope you already know part 1, part 2, part 3. I need one small response. What kind of syntax it is actually? List comprehension. Chapan, sir? Exactly. Then I hope you already know. Can you tell me execution always starts from part 2? Copy paste. Beautiful. Then what is the next one? Condition. Is it okay? With your kind permission, can I bring this one into next line? Is it okay for you?
Yeah.
If we say no also, no worries, sir. Let's take this one. Go to the P2. Next one, P3. Then condition. Condition actually. Then P1 value. Print the value. That's it. Ayipindi. Right? The beauty here it is, we will get list as a result, Sarji. We'll get what exactly? List. Yeah, good. Let us just have to print this one. You guys need to execute these examples. Then only you will get an idea. Then can I print result actually? Yeah, beautiful, Daniel. You understand very clearly. Awesome. I need floating value. What I need to do? Float. I need string value. What I need to do? That's it. You can apply. Mere apply, sir. I need response from you. This topic is called as a list comprehension. Daniel, what is advantage? If you apply for loop and after for loop, if actually takes some little longer time, that's still okay. But do you need kind of some automation code? End of the result, I need something like a list actually. Go for list comprehension. Go for what, Sachi? List comprehension. Ivanni practice session ostadi. These are all cinema. I know. I believe you guys can apply. Float, string, these are all. Online team, what happened? Are you following? Rajendra Sarji. Topple is mandatory. I hope we done. This is one of the interview questions. Today onwards, daily 1 or 2 interview questions I will cover. Don't miss the session. Not only session, today onwards daily. Why? Because once you cross list data structure, you are eligible. You can easy to understand actually. Make artha Sarji. Good. Can I tell you tomorrow what interview? Okay. No suspense. Let us continue. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. It's the right time. I just need to enter into the topic. Topic name is a dictionary data structure. What is the topic name, Sarji? Dictionary data structure actually. Structure. Yeah, let us continue. Let's close everything. Let's open material. We have our own well-structured material. You guys need to follow. Go to the Python, click on dictionary. Time 10:27, sir. If you guys are looking at the time, 10:27 actually. What is the topic name? Dictionary. Japan topic name? Dictionary. Good. Now, first counter question. Hey, Ari Daniel, we have a list tuple set. We have such a rich data structures. Wonderful data structure. Why dictionary came suddenly? Let me tell you. One small point. Simple, I would like to tell. When should you go for dictionary? When should we use? No, when should you? Otherwise, why dictionary came? Why dictionary data structure? First answer this question, Daniel. Then proceed for, dictionary explanation actually. Sure then. Let me explain about 10, 20, 30. The nature for a kind of some list tuple set. Let me explain about these 3 natures actually. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now C equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Print of A. The next one, print of B. Even let me just try to print of C. Yeah. I would like to get output actually. Yeah. Let me execute. Sir, first one list data structure. Second one tuple. Third one set. When you're talking about these three data structure can store individual value. What is that word actually? When I say individual, there is no relation between 10 and 20. 10 is a separate value, 20 is a separate value. When I say here 30, there is no relation between other values actually. But I need a data structure. First value and second value, I wanted to make some relation. I wanted to store the data like a key value pair. I wanted to store the data like what, Saji? Then we need to go for dictionary data structure. Dictionary. When it comes to list, tuple and set, these are all individual values. These are all what, Saji? These data structures can store individual values only. But I would like to what exactly, sir? Store key value pair data. Right. When it comes to list, tuple and set, so can store, so individual values. Individual values actually. Right. Sorry. Yeah, individual values only. But let me tell you, I wanted to store as below format. I wanted to store the data as below format. What it mean? Hold on. Maybe I already told. I started explaining about the dictionary actually. That was 2007. I'm joining MCA actually. My MCA joining. I went into the college. Now here is the story. Student ID. They're assigning student ID. This one is a student name. This one is what, Saji? Student name. Can you tell me what is the first one? Student ID. Next one, student name. Yeah. So almost in my batch, 56 members. Total students 56 members, 60 seats actually. I done MCA, Guntur district, Macharla, near Nagarjuna Sagar actually. Right? Newton's Engineering College. That is not entire question for you. Just I'm telling. First student ID is 101. Now that name is a Daniel. Name is what, Saji? Daniel actually. The next one is a 102. What is the name actually? Raju. 103. What is the name? Rani. 104. What is the name? Uday actually. What exactly, sir? Uday. See, make a note on this one. Now I have a question. Previously, if I say 10 means 10 only, no response. But let me ask a question. If I say 101, can you tell me? That's the response. Sometimes I wanted to store the data, like what exactly, sir? Are you talking about one value? There is interdependency value. I wanted to pull that value also. Then you can go for dictionary data structure. This is so called as a left hand side. Yeah, good. So LHS, this is called as a RHS. Left hand side, what is available, which is so called as a key. Right hand side, what is available, which is so called as a value. The whole thing is called as a pair. Key value pair. Chappan, sir? One more time. If you wanted to store the data in the form of key value pair, you need to go for dictionary. You need to go for what? You understand, I guess, right? Very good. Let's move on then. Daniel, how to create a dictionary? We can create a dictionary by using curly brace searching. By using what exactly? Curly brace. Good. Let me just try to. Curly brace and 101. Yeah, Daniel. Hold on, I will tell you the syntax. Comma. 102. Raju. 103. Rani. 104. Oh, sorry. Vani. What is the name? Uday. Oh, sorry. Let us create A actually. Very good. Yes, successfully have created a dictionary. This is so called as a creating a dictionary, right? creating dictionary. This is the syntax search. Or you can create the same output, you can create same dictionary in below syntax also. You do one thing, you can bring next line, you can bring this one to the next line, this one to the next line. Beautiful. This code is really amazing actually. Now to create a dictionary, LHS value, RHS value. This one is a key, this one is a value. Key 1, value 1. Key 2, value 2. Key 3, value 3, respectively move on actually. This is the syntax. Key value pair should be separated by using column symbol. What symbol? Don't provide indentation actually. Don't provide what exactly, sir? Indentation. Indentation. Please make a note on this. Okay? Yeah, this one is still valid example. Now I need to walk through our material so that you can continue with the discussion. Actually, dictionary data structure. Please make a note of the points. If you wanted to represent group of individual objects or else values in a single entity, then we should go for data. Yeah, sir, last level maatladutunnaru. Please be silent. We should go for data structures. List set tuple or else list tuple set. But if you wanted to represent group of objects as a key value pair, if you wanted to represent the data like a key value pair representation, go to the dictionary data. Chappan sir. Yeah, go dictionary. But Python follows shortest notation. Instead of dictionary, you need to call dict actually. We can create a dictionary by using curly brace and by using dict predefined function. What function? Dict predefined function. These are the points, very, very important. Move on searching. Points, dictionary. Daniel, first point number 1. Point number 1. Creating. We can create dictionary by using curly brace. By using what, Sachi? Curly braces. Curly braces. Mandatory. The next one. Dictionary data structure contains key value pairs. Dictionary data structure contains what, Sachi? Key value pairs. Yeah. Daniel, can we have a discussion separately key value pair? Yeah, sure, Sachi. Let us just have to understand key value pair. Key value. Key value pair. Yeah. Now move on. Sir, in Python total four data structures we are discussing. First one, list, tuple, set, dictionary. First one is very, very important. Last one is very, very important. What is the first one? List. Last one, dictionary. In between set and tuple, you should aware. Make idea undali. Make idea. Important kaada ante important, but make idea undali. You have to prepare actually. So dictionary is very important. Don't neglect actually. Don't neglect. Okay. Yeah, good. Let's move on. In dictionary, key value pairs are separated by column symbol. Whenever you are creating a dictionary contains key value pair. That key value pair should be separated by using column symbol only. Daniel, can I use semicolon? You can try, sir. You will get error actually. You will get what exactly? Error. Right? Good. In dictionary, key value pair should be separated by using column symbol only. Point number 1. Key value pair should be separated by using column symbol. What symbol, sir? Colon symbol only. Okay, Daniel, can I try with other symbol? Let's try, Sarji. Instead of column, let us give semicolon. What error you will get? What error, sir? What error? Make note on this. You should not provide actual. Next point. One key value pair is called as an item. One key value pair is called as what exactly, sir? Item. Item actually. Oh, I forgot to tell one point. If anyone is coming from Java programming background, in Java also we have a dictionary data structure, but in Java it is called as a map. What is that? Map actually. Map data structure. Map actually. Map. Make a note of this. Sir, talk with me. One key value pair is called as a item. Pair you can say, item you can say, these are all. In dictionary, every item is separated by using comma symbol. In dictionary, every item is separated by using. Make a note on this one. If you are missing comma here, gone case. You will get error actually. You will get what Saji? Error. Just rules you need to learn. Yeah, see. So seems to be here. Syntax error. What error Saji? Perhaps you forget the comma. Yeah, I forget it actually. Make a note. Comma symbol. Sir, the damn sure interview question. Next 2 points. So duplicate keys and duplicate values actually. In dictionary, duplicate keys are not allowed. Can you repeat again? In dictionary, duplicate keys are okay. Let us have a discussion over this point. Daniel, why? Why means go back to the previous example. Let us take the same thing. Let us take what Saji? Same thing actually. What is invalid scenario? Invalid scenario. Can I tell you invalid scenario? Then you will get an idea. Then I will tell you the valid scenario. Valid scenario. Good. Student ID, student name 101 Daniel, 102 Raju, Rani, Uday. Suddenly one more student came. The student name is a Nirishan actually. Now do you think college admin they will assign again one at one actually? No. Yeah, exactly. How student ID should be unique? I mean to say key should not be duplicate, sir. Cheptara? Key should not be duplicate actually. Key should be unique. Key should be. Now read this point. In dictionary, duplicate keys are best example. Like once you join in a college, how hall ticket number is a unique actually. How hall ticket number should not be a duplicate. In dictionary, key should be a unique. Key should be what such? Unique actually. Can you read the point one more time? In dictionary, duplicate keys are. This is the invalid scenario. Why? Because this is the duplicate. I would like to say duplicate actually. Then Daniel, what is a valid scenario? What is a valid scenario? Provide only the first 4 values. No duplicate actually. No duplicate. You understand this point, I guess. Okay. Move to the next one. Now, in dictionary, duplicate values can be allowed. I mean to say, values can be duplicate, sir. Keys should not be duplicate. Can I show you practically? Yeah, Daniel, please. Exactly, Sarji. Let me tell you. Let us take again same thing actually. Good. So 101, 101, 102, 103, 104. Daniel, Raju, Rani, Uday. Suddenly 105. Another student actually. He also came. He is telling his name also what exactly? Yeah, valid actually. Is there any rule actually? If my name is Daniel, nobody should not take my name. Any rule? No. Name can be duplicate. Chappan sir, name can be duplicate actually. Conclusion of the story, value can be duplicate. But let me tell you, key cannot be duplicate. Conclusion of the story. Conclusion. Let me give the conclusion. In dictionary, key should not be duplicate. Chappan sir, should not be duplicate actually. The next one, Chappan, value can be duplicate. I believe you understand. Practical we'll see. These are all practical we'll see actually step by step. Dictionary, same key and values are allowed, which is so called as a homogeneous. Different key values are allowed, which is so called as a heterogeneous actually. Yeah, the last 2 points. In dictionary, insertion order is not fixed. Chappan sir, insertion order is not fixed actually till some specific version. Size increase dynamically. Size increase what such? Dynamically. And dictionary object having what nature? Mutable nature. Repeating again, insertion order is not fixed actually. Size having dynamic nature, mutable nature, and where there is no insertion order, can you please talk with me? Indexing is not possible. What is not possible? Indexing is not possible. Anyway, this is just a little theory. Maybe the more practicals would have actually. Make a note on this one. 10:42. It's a item I need to close. Okay. Fine, sir. Let me close for today.